Buying a property in India will never be the same again. 100-year-old law has just been changed and it is going to put an end on real estate frauds in the country. If you or your family owns the property in India, and especially if you are an NRI, you need to hear this. The government has recently proposed the Registration Bill 2025, and trust me, it is going to be the game changer for all of us. For decades, one of the biggest scams going around in the Indian real estate is when someone sells a property they don't even own. Buyers pay in full only to realize later that the actual owner of the property had no idea that their land was sold. Well, this happens most often with NRIs who are not around to monitor things regularly. The new Registration Bill 2025 aims to stop this. Here's what coming. All land ownership data will be digitized, real-time title deed verification, owner details will be Aadhaar linked, bank loans and liabilities listed transparently, and online registration of all the agreements. With the new registration bill, you'll soon be able to verify everything online. No more shady offline paperwork and no middleman drama. Even properties bought decades ago through power of attorney will need to be updated on this system. The government is expected to launch this very soon, and I'll be sharing these updates right here. But here's what you should know. Firstly, check your property documents carefully. Second, fix spelling errors in your name. Third, update address and utility details. Lastly, make sure that your Aadhaar details matches across all the documents. This bill is a massive step forward in making Indian real estate safe, transparent, and future ready. So that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.